Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is rule of summary. Rule of summary field is based on predefined functions count, sum, min, max. It is based on master detail relationship. It can only be defined on master object in master detail relationship. This is used to aggregate the values of corresponding child record. A rule of summary field calculates values from related records such as those in a related list. We can create a rule of summary field to display a value in a master record based on the values of fields in a detailed record. Steps to create rule of summary field: setup, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship, new. Step 1, choose field type, rule of summary. Step 2, enter the details. Step 3, define summary calculation and select rule of type. Done. Step 4, establish field level security. Step 5, click save button. Rule of type, count. It counts the number of child records existing for the parent record. Sum, we have to provide field to aggregate. It contains the list of numeric fields in the child object. Min returns the minimum value of a given field in all the child records. Max returns the maximum value of a given field in all the child records. Let's see an example for rule of summary. Let's create rule of summary field on employee object and find out sum of salary. To do the practical, let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So just open from app launcher employee management system app. Employee object is here and we are seeing there is one employee. This employee ID is 0003 James, and for this particular employee James, which ID is 0003, let's see how many fields, how many records in the child object. So in the child object we are seeing two records, PID, payment ID 002. Just click on this. So we are seeing the employee for this payment is 0003 and the salary is 80,000, bonus is 8,000 and month is May. So let's see the second record. So PID 004. This also relates with the same employee 0003 and the ID for this payment is 004, and in this month salary is 80,000 as in the May month and bonus is 9,000, while we are seeing that 8,000 bonus in May month. So this is in month of June. So what we are going to see in the rule of summary field, we are going to create the rule of summary field on employee object, and for that employee how many payments are there. So in this situation we are seeing two payments are there for this particular one employee 0003. So just making available the fields over here while going to this list option, list view control. So I am creating the new list control, all employee. API name it's taking by default. Who see the list view? Only I can see this list view. All user can see this list view. Share this list view with groups of users. So I am making it available for all users. Click save. So for this, which fields I have to see? Select field to display. So employee ID is there. Then I want to see the name of that particular employee. Again, for that particular employee, uh, what is the designation? So these three fields I am going to see on the list view: employee ID, name and designation. Hit the save button. So now we are able to see employee ID with name and with designation. So again I am going to create a list view for this payment also. So I had already created for the payment, all payments. So for the employee, this 0003, we have two records, 002 and 004, and both the salary are 80,000 and bonus are 8,000 and 9,000. In one list view we are seeing, so I had created the list view. Just for pinning this up, click on this pin, and again for the employee as well I am doing. So by default it's coming. So well, we had created. Uh, Now for this particular employee object we have to create the roll up summary. So click on this tab. In the setup I have to click on edit object. Let's go in the detail, fields and relationship. For the employee, click new. So we are seeing over here a roll up summary, a read only field that displays the sum, minimum or maximum value of a field in a related list, or the record count of all records listed in the related list. Click next. The sum of salary. Click next. So for the employee, the object is going to relate payment, and for this I don't want count, just I want sum of the salary. So field to aggregate, I am providing salary. If I want the bonus, then I can go with bonus. For now I am going with salary. Filter criteria, all records should be included in the calculation. Yes. Click next. Establish field level security. Okay, I am going with default one. Click next. Page layout. Yeah, employee page layout is coming over here. Click on save button. So now again coming back to our employee management system, on the employee object, and again click on the particular record. So now we are able to see sum of salary 1,60,000. For the payments for this particular employee, 80,000 and 80,000. So like this we are creating roll up summary field. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.